So I'm really, I don't know what to say. I'm dumbfounded with everything that's been happening. Pero I can just say that I've never felt so happy with anything. Well, of course, I'm happy all the time, but this is like talagang the epitome of all happiness when it comes to my career. So.
Yung heart, ang si Sharon na nagsabi pala, no, let's get heart. I think, in a way, in a big way, ikaw ang choice talaga ni Sharon.
And wow, thank you so much. I'll do my bestest best. You know, just because she said my name, it's a dream come true. So I'll do everything I can para naman maging sulit ang pag-uulanan sa akin.
Nakita ka na doon niya kasi how you performed and you're worthy to play her daughter na.
Thank you.
Suklian mo yun.
Oh, yun ang gagawin ko. Susuklian ko ng everything that I have. I'll give it all to this movie. So, I'm so excited. Naisip ko ng premiere night. Hindi ko alam kung anong magiging reaction ko. And my family were all happy.
Sa showbiz, maraming surpresa talaga. Heart.
Yes,
Did you expect this?
No, I didn't expect this. I didn't really expect anything like this will happen to me ever. Ako lang, iniisip ko, just my everyday life. I take it a day at a time. I do my job today. I don't know what comes tomorrow. When I was young, you know, I always wanted to dream high. And, you know, I mean, a lot of things happen in my life. And I just didn't want to dream so much anymore. I just took it a day at a time. And this happened to me. So, parang I'm overwhelmed with everything. I didn't think it would happen.
At saka usually yung mga second choices na nagsashine, ano?
Oh, wow. I hope. I really hope.
Heart, nawala si Angel Locsin, but this is your reward, I guess.
Well, thank you, Angel.
Well, speaking of Angel, kinontak ka daw ni Anne at ni Angel to participate
Yes,
sa kanilang...
That's right. Anne was in my house the other day, and I think I auctioned a ring that's brand new from Tiffany. So I hope madaming magkaroon ng interest sa ring na yun para matulungan na natin.
Bakit ring ang yun? Kasi sabi daw, mga special things daw ng...
It was special, but not so special because mga naging regalo lang sa akin. But not anybody in show business, that's for sure. But yeah, so I gave it away na lang. So at least may napunta naman sa maganda.
Ano sabi naman na gumagawa sila ng ganitong campaign?
It's very nice to see beautiful celebrities that are famous, that are on top of the world. You see them and they're helping out. I'm really proud of Anne and sila Angel that they have such a big heart, and everybody else that's contributing. Na yung iba pa, ayaw na lang sabihin yung name nila. So that's really nice.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
And good luck sa movie.
Last na lang, maraming tinahak na story itong Mano po, ano? And we're just glad that you're in it.
Thank you very much. I think I really don't know what to say kasi sobrang thank you talaga. Yun lang ang masasabi ko na you know, up to this time I'm still in cloud nine. I still don't know. Parang hindi ako makapaniwala na nagtitape ako dito na I just saw Miss Sharon come out of the elevator. Parang, hi!
So, fantastic.
Yes, so I'm very happy.
Very briefly, ang role mo, susumpa mo yung inamabalik.
Yes, I'm the rebellious daughter. But that's very easy to do. O, dahil mga paghuhugutan. Pero may reasons, kaya panoorin niyo yun.
Okay, and congratulations. You're the latest regal baby, so to speak. You signed
I signed a 3-year contract. It's I think three picture hanggang, non-exclusive siya.
Thank you.